You don't want to go to the multiverse? We're doing videos. What does it feel like to want to code but then run into the language problem?
Frustrating.
Frustrating. Are you frustrated? Have you ever wanted to program a computer? Me too.
It just sucks not knowing how to code.
Yes.
It just does.
So then you're faced with the vexing decision of where to start, what language to learn first. We drew a diagram of how you get from human language all the way down to assembly language, assembly code. Mm-hmm. Symbols lead to writing, writing leads to abbreviations and formal languages, which leads into mathematics and then code. There are different kinds of code, different ways it's used. You get machines into the picture here and eventually end up at assembly. Have a look at that, see what you think. How do you get from assembly to what we want to do? For our purposes, Fortran leads to Algol, it leads to BCPL, leads to B, leads to C. Right? Okay, you with me? Don't worry about all that. This is just for reference. And once you get to C, you've got similarity between C and Objective-C.
Yeah.
And then you branch off via Objective-C to iOS programming. Maybe you go to Swift and come back to iOS. And then you branch off from C to C++. You get to Java. You also get to JavaScript. That's Amy's favorite. Python, which is one that really interests us. And then Java leads to Android apps. Is this useful to people?
I think so.
So we figure, learn some assembly code so we have the gist of it. Focus on C, that seems to be the foundation of all the languages we want to learn. Then branch out into Objective-C so we can start building the iPhone version of our app. And once we've got some momentum on the iPhone version, start looking at C++ and then Java so we can start building the Android version.
So that's our first pass at the world of programming languages. We're going to come back to it. We're going to keep building on it. And
that's it.
That's it. Come on, people. We're hustling here.
We're doing this nights and weekends. We're doing 40 hours a week right now, 20 during the week and 20 on the weekends. But there are 168 hours in the week. And after you sleep and brush your teeth, you've got about 100 available to you. That's what we want. Right now we're doing 40 each. We could be doing 100 each. That's 2.5 times the content
hustling.
We're doing now.
Right.
Don't you want that? If you like CodeSmack, and obviously you do, because how could you not?
Of course.
You want us to get through more stuff, put out more stuff. You want more stuff. We need more hours to do more stuff. Sign up and help us do more stuff.
And you get stuff. You get the Smack book, the outtakes, and a con call with yours truly.
Don't you want that? Don't you want those things?
Sign up.